Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into how to fix Fifth Third Bank payment processing errors. Step by step, ensuring your transactions go smoothly. Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the precise steps needed to troubleshoot and fix payment processing errors encountered with Fifth Third Bank. Whether you are a customer or a business owner facing these issues, this explanation will help you get everything back on track efficiently. The first step is to identify the specific error message. Code that appears during your payment attempt. This information is crucial, as it helps narrow down the potential causes. Common examples include insufficient funds, network issues, or authentication problems. Once you have noted the error message, proceed by verifying your account balance and ensuring that you have sufficient funds to cover the transaction. Sometimes payments fail simply because the account balance is lower than expected. Next, check the details of the payment you are trying to complete, including recipient information, amount, and account numbers. Double-check that everything entered is accurate and free of typos or mismatched information. If you are using a digital wallet or a payment app connected to your Fifth Third Bank account, confirm that the app is updated to its latest version, as outdated software can cause processing glitches. Another key step is to ensure your internet connection is stable and secure. Unstable or poor internet can interrupt payment processing, leading to errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. If your payment method requires authentication like two-factor authentication, make sure you complete those prompts accurately. If you miss any verification steps, the transaction may be blocked. For more persistent or unexplained errors, contact Fifth Third Bank customer service. Use the official phone numbers or online chat support to describe your issue. Clearly provide them with the error details you gathered previously and follow their guidance. They may initiate a deeper investigation or reset your transaction. If you are a business owner handling payments through Fifth Third Bank's merchant services, check your account settings within the online dashboard. Confirm that all payment integrations are correctly configured with up-to-date certificates and credentials. In some cases, relinking your payment gateways or updating software plugins may resolve the issue. Finally, after resolving the error, always run a test transaction with a small amount to ensure the problem is fully fixed. Consistent monitoring and prompt action can greatly reduce the occurrence of payment processing errors and ensure smooth banking experiences. Remember that patience and methodical troubleshooting are key when dealing with technical payment issues. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more practical financial tips and solutions.